So while the steaks marinate, we're gonna go ahead and roast the Brussels sprouts. And what I did, I went ahead and prepped some already, but Brussels sprouts are great roasting vegetables. And of course, like when you have a steak, you need a nice green veg with it. And so these are just something that are gaining a lot of popularity right now. But you wanna cut the end off, and then you wanna cut down the center. If it's too big, if it's small, you can just leave it alone. And don't worry about those loose leaves. And then you just throw that in the pan. And you can see I've got a big pan, and the reason why is because I just don't like there to be too much crowding, if you would, in the pan. So you've got that, got a little bit of olive oil, drizzle that on. And we've got a little bit of kosher salt. And then of course some coarse ground black pepper. And we've got the oven set for 375 degrees. And we're gonna let them roast for, I'm gonna say about 30 minutes, but we're gonna take a look at it after 15 or 20 just to make sure. You know, not all Brussels sprouts are created equal, so we have to make sure that they're cooked the way you like them, but you want a really nice brown color on them. We'll just slide these in.